In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix failed to authorize, please try again error while trying to authorize or grant permission on third-party apps to Strava. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're trying to authorize permission but you're getting this error, then there are quite a number of steps you need to take to fix this. The first thing to do is to troubleshoot your Strava app to grant authorization. To do this, first go to settings, and from settings go to apps or all apps, and then look for this option called manage apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Strava, tap on it, and this will take you to the Strava app info page. Here you want to go to for stop app and OK, then go to clear data and clear cache, and then clear all data. Then you need to go to app permission. You can see app permissions is here, and here make sure that you have granted the permission for these other options. So check under each and allow. Once you are done for all, now restart your smartphone and then try to grant permission to other parties or other apps and see if this will work. In most cases, it should work. However, if this does not work, then check and then see if you are using any security app. It might be the reason you are unable to do this. Also, if you are on a VPN, disable it, as this might be causing this problem. However, if that fails, then check and then see if we have any update. Then check and then see if we have any update through Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. Once you are done, now you should be able to authorize other third-party apps to Strava without any issue. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.